Hey guys, do you know what this means since you see trash behind me? I opened an LPS today. Yeah? I'm sorry that I opened it without you again. I'm super duper sorry, but let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and show you. Oh, you just saw it. Come on. So here's the baby. She's a light pink color. She has cute dark pink hair, sky blue eyes, a yellow beak, and then yellow little feet and yellow wings. She's just so adorable. Okay, this is your little pacifier. It is a butterfly. Little pacifier. So here's the mom. Oh my goodness. She comes cute green bow. She comes light pink one under. She comes dark pink, no hairs. Got hair. Then dark pink. Had a dark and light blue eyes. And then yellow feet. Light pink and dark pink wings. Like Victoria, and then it has a purple and a sign. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed.